Hello everyone, this is String Beauty Factor here, Factor here, Factor here. Y'all know what time it is. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. Hey, hey, it's filming time. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Of course, y'all know what time it is. I have another video for y'all guys, and I have new product, two new products for y'all guys. I wanted to try this company for a good while, and it's black owned, and I just wanted to try it out. So I ordered it. I wanted to have some different foundations and different setting powders instead of using Fenty all the time, which, look, I love myself some Fenty, but I want to change it up for y'all guys, okay? Mented. I know all y'all see that on Facebook. I know y'all seen a lot of YouTubers already did it to their channel, but I am bringing it to my channel, okay? And I've been meaning to try this company for a minute, and of course, y'all can tell. Look at this. Look at this. I love it. I do. I really do. It goes on smooth, everything. You'll see in the video. And the color that I got is medium deep. And I love the packaging. You see how sleek that is? And look at the box. Look at that. I love it. Look at that. And it came well packaged. Let me get the box for you. Let me get the box for you. This is the box that it came in. And it, you know, minted, and you know, on the front, I ain't gonna, let me see if I can hide my address. And it came like that. And then of course they gave you a little cute little card, and they said Mented 4th anniversary celebrating black women. I think they launched Mented in 2017. And let's see what else it said. Yeah, I'm gonna put the card in the screen so y'all can see. And I love this right here. There's some beautiful women right there, and it came with all the stuff in it or whatever. But yeah, it came well packaged, and it came with I'm sorry guys, I'm out the screen, at the thing. It came this is what came in this. And then of course I ordered the foundation. There it is, real sleek, gold writing. It got the M on the thing, and it's got the color on. Let me see, what color did I get, guys? I forgot. I got M20. That's the color that I got. And of course it came in this, you know, black box, gold writing. Yeah, it's an M20. That's got it right here. So this is how the foundation look. Y'all will see in the video how it came, how I did the you know, in the tutorial. These are the only two ones I got. I really love it. Love the foundation and setting powder. And I will go back and get I don't know if they got any you know, the highlight, the powder, like the banana powder or something like that. I think they do, but I'm gonna get that as well. And I'm trying to get other products so I can do comparisons and all that stuff, to do something different to my channel. So again guys, I'm asking y'all, please let me know that what y'all want me to bring to my channel. And that's pretty much it. They're telling me the time, and y'all know I never ever leave this out. I asked God to this morning. It took, I mean, I had to listen real hard to hear what he had to tell me this morning to tell y'all guys. He wanted me to talk about understanding your purpose. Understanding your purpose. And to me, that is understanding your purpose through God, not through self. You get it? That's why I get from that, because we may think that we understand where we need to be at in our life, but sometimes it's not time. It's not time at all. So he gave me the scripture. See, I see my glasses. He gave me the scripture, Ecclesiastes 3. And I'm going to read 1 through 8. There's a time for everything, a season for every activity under the heavens, a time to be born, a time to die, a time to plant, and a time to uproot, a time to kill and a time to heal, a time to tear down and a time to build, a time to weep and a time to laugh, a time to mourn and a time to dance, a time to scatter stones and a time to gather them, a time to embrace and a time to refrain from embracing, a time to search and a time to give up, a time to keep and a time to throw away, a time to tear and a time to mend, a time to be silent and a time to speak, a time to love and a time to hate, and a time for war and a time for peace. And what I was reading in my study Bible, and it was saying that it says here, Solomon's point in this section is that God has a plan for his people. Thus, he provides cycles of life, each with a work for us to do. Although we may face problems that seem to be contradict God's plan, these should not be barriers in believing in him. Rather, they are opportunities to discover that without God, life problems has no lasting solution. And then this was talking about time. Timing is important. All experiences listed in these verses are appropriate at certain times. The secret of having peace with God is to discover and accept and appreciate God's perfect timing. There is danger in doubting and resenting God's timing. This can lead to despair, rebellion, and move ahead without his guidance. Let's see if anything else. Okay. And what I gained from that is, with God's timing, we should understand our purpose and listen to what he wants us to do, how he wants us to walk, our talk, everything. Understanding our purpose. Yeah, it got something to do with what we're going to do in life to encourage people and God get the glory. Yeah. But listening and understanding where he wants to carry us to in our life and carry us to our purpose. You understand what I'm saying? So what I gave for that, like I said in the beginning, is understanding my purpose through God, not through self. So y'all, what I'm trying to encourage y'all is to listen to God, let him direct your step, pass the baton, stay focused. Everything plays a part. Everything. So understanding your purpose is understanding your purpose through God. Okay? Alright guys. Y'all know when there's an event, I got some content. And I see y'all what? In another video. Love you guys.
Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat for this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day, ayy. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get it right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray, that's it. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm late. Girl, where you going? You forever late to something. Just mind your business. Just mind your business, okay? And ain't. Nah, but for real though, where you going? I have an appointment to get my makeup done. Oh, word? By who? Extreme Beauty Factor? Duh. Who is that? Is she any good? Girl, what? You ain't know? Well, let me tell you. Wait, hold up. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. Hey, yeah. Hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I said, hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I like shine, I like sparkle, and I like shimmer. Come on over to the Extreme team and get this work. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Ooh.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling,
Hey guys, I also got samples from Mented right here, in case the foundation didn't look right on me, or I can use it on other people as well. So I got this sample. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I put it in the screen. Okay, all right guys. Tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.